Okay, today we're going to go for a drive in my 1969 Chevelle SS 396. See that it's automatic transmission. In this particular car, it's a 396 motor. Came in several variants actually. And this year they came in three variants: the 325, 350, and 375 horse. And this particular car is a 325 horse, so it's the lowest of the horsepower variants, but still 325 horsepower is a significant amount of power, particularly 69 was a pretty good year. So the car has AC working, but not necessarily charged, so it's not really blowing cold. So yes, I'm hot. This was probably I'd say the second most popular year for the Chevelle, and I mean, a lot of people argue back and forth about what's the better looking car. 70 is what most people consider to be the optimum car. The SS 396 versions of the 70, some of them actually had 402s in them, but they were also 325, 350, 375 horse. But they also had 455s, 454s in them, and the LX6 version was rated at 435 horsepower. So that's like the big dog of all the Chevelles. This car is particularly kind of strange, honestly, when I saw it at an auction, because Chevelles and particularly SS 396s were, they were boy racer cars, drag strip cars, not ones that would be equipped well from the factory. So this car has tilt wheel, the full deluxe interior package, console, AM FM stereo radio, 8-track player, power windows, and even power door locks, which is kind of silly when I can reach over and just touch the lock. So I believe it has almost every option that Chevrolet put on the car that year. So kind of strange, you don't see that very often.